Hello everyone, Anthony, Lena here. I am thinking about all my experience at Twist and Shout 2018 in Las Vegas, and I don't know about you, but I am missing that jam room, missing hanging out with my balloon family. And today I just want to give a big thank you to everyone who attended, and especially who attended my classes, and a special thank you to Qualatex for sponsoring me this year. With that all being said, I want to give back a little. If you weren't able to make it to one of my classes, I am actually going to share with you something that I taught in the second balloons, or light it up with balloons of pure awesomeness class. We're going to do a laser gun using the new Chrome balloons. Oh yeah. So what you'll need 2 Chrome balloons of your choice in 260s, and you'll need a 5-inch Qualatex clear and a little LED light. I'm using a finger light, a blue one. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to stretch, I'm going to set the light down for a minute, stretch the neck out of the 5-inch round like that, and just stretch that open and put the light right in, just like that. It's very important that you have the light, the bulb of the light right here, facing away from the nozzle, so it's like that, okay? All right, we're gonna go ahead and tie this close to the light, just like so. This is a really easy way to put a light in a 260 or 350, or really whatever balloon you want to, just to attach a light to the end. So for this laser gun, we're going to get the blue chrome. Just gonna tie it here, just like that. And so we got that. You're going to trim the excess off. Boom. So now you have that. I'm gonna do a little bubble on the 260, just like that, just a little bubble. I'm going to push that in, just tulip twist it in, while squeezing the balloon, grabbing that bubble on the inside. I'm putting my thumb against the light and pulling my finger out. Like that. Nice. So now you have that light just sticking out just a little bit right there. The bubble that we twisted in is right in there, and I'm going to turn that into a pinch twist. So we have that. Going to do one more bubble to give it a squeeze. Do another pinch twist right there. So now you have that. These are just awesome. All right. Got the light coming out there. All right, I'm going to take my silver chrome, do a little pinch twist. Just like that. Give it a squeeze. Do a bubble, another pinch twist. You have that. We're going to do another, give it a nice little squeeze, and do another loop on there just like that. Have that. And I'll do one more. So another bubble and a pinch twist, and we'll wrap that loop around. And I almost forgot, we are going to need another 5-inch clear as well. So I'm going to grab that here in just a minute, but before we do, we have this, okay? And come over here, do another pinch twist, and another one, so we have 2. And I'm going to bring this one down and attach it right here. So we have this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this silver chrome, going to do a little snap it off there, and add a pinch twist. So basically just snap that off. There's the excess. I'm going to just tie that knot, or the remainder, around, just like so. It'll turn into a pinch twist. And I'll do one pinch twist on the blue. There it is. So we have this. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna trim this off because I don't want my the handle of the gun to be super long. There it is. All right, so you have this. The light is shining right there. Just out a little bit. And we're gonna add a 5-inch round right here. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I have my 5-inch clear round. Just gonna inflate this, about 2 pumps on the red pump here. And I'm gonna tie it close to the nozzle, leaving a lot of neck where I can squeeze it up like that. Once I squeeze it up, I'm going to just pinch off a small bubble and pinch twist that. And I'm gonna attach it right here in those back 2 pinch twists. All right, there we go. So we have that. And then we got the blue pinch twist and the 2 silver ones right there. We have that. Now the finishing touch, get a red marker, and we're gonna draw some crosshairs right here. And that way they can aim, whoever gets it, they can aim where they're shooting their laser. Just like that. Which is really cool. And there we have our laser blaster with the cool light shining on the end right there. All right, and if you make this soft enough, I didn't make mine too soft, but if you want to turn the light off and on, if you before you twist this, make it really soft where you can feel the light inside, then you can actually switch on the light on it, or the switch on and off right there. But yeah. All right, so if you couldn't make it to Tuition Shout, or you just needed a recap from one of my classes, a little extra treat for you guys. Well, until the next Tuition Shout, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.